Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well. In the last two videos we have discussed few questions from the previous question papers. Today also we can continue with the question paper discussion. Are you ready? Today we are going to discuss second year higher secondary examination March 2022. In part 1 we have all 1 mark questions, and from question number 1 to 9 we have to answer any 5 questions. Okay, now we can move to the first question. The first question is SI unit of electric field. Options are given, that is A. Newton per coulomb, B. Voltmeter, C. Coulomb meter, and D. Newton meter. Here we have to find the unit of electric field. What is the equation for finding electric field? Yes, that is force by charge, that is F by Q0, right? So what is the unit of force? Yes, it is Newton. Then what is the unit of Q, that is charge, that is Coulomb. So what will be the unit? Unit is Newton per Coulomb. The option is A, Newton per Coulomb. That is option A is the correct answer, Newton per Coulomb. Now the second question. Name the force experienced by a charge Q moving through a uniform magnetic field with a velocity V. What is the force experienced by a moving charged particle in a magnetic field is called? That is magnetic Lorentz force, right? The answer is magnetic Lorentz force, or F is equal to Q into V cross B. Now third question. Changing magnetic fields can set up current loops in nearby metal bodies that dissipate electrical energy as heat. Such currents are called dash. Suppose a metallic block moves in a magnetic field. Then what will happen? The magnetic flux linked with it will change, right? Also the induced currents are developed in the body, okay, of the metallic blocks. So these currents look like eddies in a fluid. And what is this called? Yes, that is eddy currents. So the answer is eddy current. Now question number 4. In purely inductive or capacitive circuit, power factor, that is cos phi, is, the options are A 0, B 1 and C minus 1. Here the power factor is already given in brackets, that is cos phi, right? Now it is very easy to calculate the value. What will be the phi value in the case of inductive or capacitive circuit? That is 90 degree, right? If phi is 90, what will be cos phi? Cos phi is equal to cos 90. So the value is 0. So what will be the answer? That is A 0. The answer is option A 0. Now question number 5. Relation between velocity of light c, permeability of free space mu 0 and permittivity of free space epsilon 0 is dash. The options are given as A. C equal to 1 by mu 0 epsilon 0, B. C equal to mu 0 epsilon 0, and C. 1 by root of mu 0 epsilon 0, D. C equal to root of mu 0 epsilon 0. Yes, what is the equation for finding the velocity of light? That is C equal to 1 by root of mu 0 epsilon 0, where mu 0 is the permeability of free space and epsilon 0 permittivity of free space. Okay, that is option C is the correct answer. C is equal to 1 by root of mu 0 epsilon 0. Now question number 6. Light waves are dash in nature. The options are given, that is transverse or longitudinal. What is the nature of light waves? Yes, that is transverse. Okay. Yes, that is the light waves are transverse in nature. Now, seventh question. Photons are electrically dash. The options are A. Neutral, B. Positive, C. Negative, and D. Unpredictable. What will be the answer? The photons are electrically, yes, neutral. The answer is option A, neutral. The next question is question number 8. The minimum energy required to free an electron from the ground state of hydrogen atom is dash. The options are plus 13.6 joule and B minus 13.6 joule, C plus 13.6 electron volt, then D minus 13.6 electron volt. Yes, this energy is called the ionization energy, right? So what will be the answer? It is plus 13.6 electron volt. The answer is option C, plus 13.6 electron volt. Now question number 9. Complete the general equation of alpha decay. The equation is given as XZA is equal to dash plus helium. Okay, so the options are Y Z minus 4 A minus 2, B Y Z minus 2 A minus 4, C Y Z minus 2 A minus 2, and D Y Z plus 1 A. Here in the question it is given that this is the case of alpha emission. So in the case of alpha emission, what will happen to atomic number and mass number? That we know that in the case of alpha emission, the atomic number decreases by 2 and mass number decreases by 4 and form a daughter nucleus. So here what will come? Atomic number decreases by 2 means Z minus 2 and mass number decreases by 4, that is A minus 4. So what will be the answer? That will be Y Z minus 2 A minus 4. The answer is option B, Y Z minus 2 A minus 4. Clear? Today we have discussed the first 9 questions of the question paper March 2022. Okay, the rest of the questions we can continue in the next video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.